Good evening, Aura. How are you?
Nice, ma'am. Good evening.
Can you please turn on your camera, honey? Good to see you, girl. From which school and city you are joining us? Quickly inform us.
Colors Innovation Academy, Pune.
That's very nice. Okay, so would like to inform you we were having a middle of the demo. Okay, so but for you, I'll be repeating the links again and I'll be pasting it again also. So I want you to quickly settle down so wherein you can open your chat box and you can have a look to the links. So I have sent. So if you can just open those links, I'll repeat it once again. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check it over here. Yes, in case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process and you can join the batch. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. For this, you just need to fill up this feedback form.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
case you want to know in detail about this particular batch, for that you need to click on this all batch detail link.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
case you have any further queries, you can always email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com. You can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Okay. So with this, now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform. Her name is Miss Bhavita. She's a wonderful mentor. She is having a conceptual clarity, understanding, and classes are very engaging. She has been taking Olympiad classes since so long. So I hope you'll be going to enjoy her sessions. So over to you, Bhavitra ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Hello, students. Good evening, both of you. My name is Bhavitra. I am going to be handling your math topics, okay? And we have a lot of interesting questions, very, interesting topics, which will make you way better, in your understanding with Olympiad concepts, all right? So which will help you crack the questions really quickly, all right? So I'm really looking forward to meet you both in the class sessions. I'll see you soon. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Pooja.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So now I would like to invite Megha ma'am at the platform to share a presentation with you where you'll get to know that how you can access of your material. Along with that, you'll get to know when your batches are going to start, what is the start date and everything, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll be going to take up the queries once we are done with the presentation. If you have anything urgent, you can drop me a WhatsApp. You can drop me a message in the chat, sir.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. So I welcome you both of you to the platform of Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matter. We are having 8 courses: School Plus program, Mathematics, English, Science, Logical Reasoning, Communication, Spoken and Written, Vedic Maths, and Coding. So what else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. No need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. Yes, we have live Olympiad sessions with group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience, having 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. This session includes topic-wide quick revision and discussion on previous year papers. Student will get the reading material and practice question, which will be available on the platform of Olympiad Success. And student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wide mock test. So syllabus is available on this particular link, and the fee of the course is rupees 8,032 rupees. It is a 32 session course and payment can be made by using this link. This fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. So what else you require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones with better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 29th of August 2020-25. In 2020-24, Olympiad Success have students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about PPT. I hope I'm clear. Anya?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. All right. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, so what you have to do, girl, you have to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com, wherein you'll be directed towards this page. Over here, you will be going to enter your ID with which you will register with us, okay? So after signing in, of course, you'll get your profile details, check it in case you find any error, you can update it over here. Moving forward, you need to click on live classes for your entire content. You need to select your subject and of course topic. So I'll be going to show you about number system today. So here you can see as a schedule. So schedule will give you the clarity in which session you're going to go which particular topic. Okay. So after completion of every topic, there is a test discussion that will be according to your chapter only. Okay. So that you'll get to know whether you have understood about this particular topic or not. In case you have any doubts, you can clear it from your mentor. So in last there'll be super classes. Super classes means more practice, and that we will be going to cover previous year papers. So here you can have a look to the holiday calendar because obviously we do have festival holidays. So we don't want you to miss any of the sessions. So this is for your reference. Here you go with the reading material. Select. And here you can see. Okay, so there are so many sets. I have shown you just one. So you can see there are 4 sets. So here you go with the question paper and answer keys. Question paper. Okay. So with this, we do have answers also, but we recommend you to just download your paper, solve it, and then check your answers. Okay. So for more practice, you need to go on the section worksheet.
Okay.
Again, you need to select your subject. And here you'll get your worksheets. Click on take exam. So I'll be going to attempt one worksheet for your preference. Read instructions. Take this box, start worksheet. So I'll be going to fill random answers. The driving class starts at 10:45 a.m. It finishes after 3 hours, 12 minutes. At what time will the class end? So you can see the quality of questions, types of questions for your practice according to a particular chapter. So I am not sure about the answer, but still I'm filling it. So this is how you need to fill all your correct answers. I am filling it randomly, but you should make sure that you should practice it beforehand. Once you've done all the answers, you can click on finish button for the submission. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions. So the best part of this platform is the moment you're done the worksheet, you can check your performance parallelly. For that, you need to click on performance button, which is right after worksheet icon. And again, you need to select your subject. And here you can check according to your date. Okay, so today is 22nd. We need to search which worksheet has been done on 22nd. So here we go. Click on view button. And you can see. So I have attempted one question that is correct. Okay, so you can review your answer also, whether it is correct or not, which one is the correct. Okay, so this is how you can have access of the dashboard.
Okay.
Yes, I think that's pretty much about it, Anya. So any doubts, any questions do you have? Or shall we begin with the teaching part now?
Yeah, we can begin.
Okay, great. Over to you, Pavitra.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Thank you, Megha ma'am. Hello, Anya.
Hi.
Do you like math?
Yeah, I like it.
Very good. So today we will be seeing about a very interesting topic in math. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. Let me know whether you are able to see the screen properly. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Great. Okay. So today we are going to see about the topic is calendar.
Okay.
All right. So calendar. So you know, right? What all we will be learning in calendar? Can you tell me?
Yeah, we'll be learning about dates and we'll be learning how to calculate the dates.
Great. Okay. So not only dates, we are going to calculate many more interesting, questions here. Today also we'll be solving some questions. You can see how the questions are. So the basic information, the basic data, what you will be learning in this topic would be like the number of hours in a week, in a day. And I hope all these, data is clear to you. Can you please read through it and tell me if, because these are all basic ones, so which you have,
Yeah.
which you would have learnt in grade 1 and 2. So let me know if you need help with this.
Yeah, I understand.
You understand all this, right? Yes, let's move to the next one. So here, this is about the breakup. Like, 1 week has how many days, and 2 weeks has how many days, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, all right, and months of the year. I hope this is also clear to you, Anya.
Yeah, it
Right?
is.
Yes. Okay. Now here comes the trick part, right? Like we have the number of days vary. Correct, Anya?
Yeah.
Every month has different number of days, right?
Yes.
So that is given here, and how to find the total number of days, because 7 months have about 31 days and 4 months have 30 days and 1 month has 28 days, right? Which month is that?
The month which has 28 days is February.
Great. Okay, so February has 28 days. So, this is how we calculate the total number of days in a year. How many days are there in a year? Do you know?
No.
You don't
Wait.
know?
365.
Great. 365 days. In all the years?
All the years. Leap year. So in leap year,
How many days in leap year?
1 extra day, so 366.
Okay. Now, do you know why do we have this concept of leap year? Do you know, Anya, why is it happening? Why only leap years? So, do you think Earth rotates 1 day extra only on that leap year?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
Then what happens exactly? Are you aware of this concept? Otherwise, I can help you understand this.
I don't know.
All right, great. So let me explain it to you this. Okay. So leap year comes once in every, how many years, Anya?
4.
4 years. Okay. So leap year, I hope you can see my board,
Yes, I can.
comes once in 4 years. Correct? Now,
Yes.
you tell me 1 hour day has how many hours?
24 hours.
24 hours. Now, we all know that Earth, it completes the whole revolution, and then we have that complete 1 year is over, correct?
Yes.
Number of days, right? Rotation gives us days and revolution gives us year. I hope you are aware of this, right?
Yes.
This I will just write it here. So rotation takes how many hours?
24.
24 hours. So that is 1 day, right? And revolution
6.
takes how many days?
365.
Okay, it is not exactly 365 days, Anya. It is actually 365 days and 6 hours. Earth does not take only 365 days to complete one revolution. Okay, so every time it is revolving, it will take 6 hours extra.
Okay.
Okay, so can we break up the day into 6 hours? No, right? We can't do it,
No.
right? So the calendar system, so after 4 years, so if 4 years, 6 hours is becoming extra, how many hours will that be?
24.
Very good. So that is why we add up 1 day after the 4 years are over.
Oh, okay.
Great, right? Very interesting, right, Anya? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is why we have leap year, because Earth does not take only 365 days to complete the revolution. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete the revolution. Okay. And so we add up all the 4 years, the previous 3 years and the leap years 6 hours we add up. So 4 6 are 24. So we add the extra 1 day. All right. Hi, Mugda. Can you switch on your camera, Mugda? Hello. Can you hear me, Mugda? Mugda Jyoti? Okay. All right.
Hello.
Your voice is breaking.
Hello, Miss. Hello, hello.
Yes, Mugdha Jyoti, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you switch on your camera?
Yes, Miss. Yes.
Okay. Which school are you from, Mugdha?
I am from Indus Academy, Jagi Road.
Which city?
Jagi Road, Guwahati, Guwahati.
Guwahati. Great. Okay. So the session already started at 6:30. Okay. And there were, two of my team who helped in accessing the dashboard and all. If you go to chat box, you will be able to check whether you're able to see the link and all there.
Yes.
Can you see the link there of the link of syllabus, payment link, all that? Can you see?
So where?
Chat box.
Chat box.
How to access the syllabus, how to access the worksheets, how to access Olympiad success. It's not there?
No, Miss.
All right. Check now. I have pasted the syllabus link, payment link, and the feedback link and the batch details. You can check it out. You can open the link and you can go through the details. Once you make the payment, you will be receiving user ID and password, which you will have to use to log into the website. I will be the mentor. Okay. So I am not from the management team. I am a teacher. I will be teaching you. So you will have to talk to the contact person if you have a query with all these details. Is that clear?
Yes, yes, Miss.
All right. So Anya, are you clear about this leap year concept?
Yes.
Okay. Mugdha, can you see my screen? Whatever I'm sharing now?
Yes, Miss. Yes.
Okay. All right. So today we are seeing about calendar, Mugdha. Okay. About, the number of days and months. I hope you are aware of all those concepts, right? Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. All right. So I just explained Anya about the concept of leap year. All right. How we have one extra day only in the leap years. Okay. That concept I just explained, Anya. Are you aware of the concept? How do we have one extra day in the leap year? Are you aware? You need to answer me so that I will know that you're aware or not. Yes, Mugdha, do you know the concept leap year? How do we get 1 year extra?
Yes, Miss. Yes. Yes.
How? Tell me how we get 1 day extra in the leap year.
Miss, when 4 years completed, we got a extra day.
Why? Because Earth is rotating 1 day extra only in the leap year.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay,
Yes,
now
miss.
tell me what is rotation and what is revolution of Earth? How do we get days and nights?
A rotation means
Hmm.
when the Earth rotates. It's like a ball. When we rotate it, he become.
So how much time it takes to complete one rotation?
It's 24 hours.
24 hours. So that's the hours present in the day, right? How about revolution? How much time does it take to complete one revolution?
Revolution means 1 year. 1 year equal to 350 65.
365 days. Great. Okay.
Miss,
So when
miss
the Earth
after
revolves, sorry? When the Earth revolves, right, it does not take 365 days. It takes 365 days and 6 hours. Okay. So every year we cannot have a day with 6 hours, right? One extra day with 6 hours. So that is why we add up all the 4 years, 6 hours, and to get 24 hours. And in the leap year, we add that extra 24 hours in the month of February.
Okay.
Okay, that is how it is, because Earth will not take exact 365 days. It will take 365 days and 6 hours every year. So we add up the previous 3 years, 6 hours, and the leap year 6 hours extra. We add up and we take it as 24 hours. And that date is added in the month of February, which has the least number of days. How many days does February have?
Yes, usually it is have 28, but in leap year it have 29 days.
Great. Okay, now can you keep your camera clearly? I can't see you. I can look at the fan. Yes. Keep it properly so that I can see your face properly. All right. Okay. Now, so these are the extra points what we discussed now. There are about 365 days in a year. Every fourth year has an extra day. So this year is called a leap year. Okay. And every fourth year is a leap year, and the extra day is added to February, which then has 29 days. So leap year, how do we calculate and find the leap year? The leap year are the numbers which are divisible by 4. Okay, if you see 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 16, all these numbers, if you see, they are all divided by 4. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Correct. So that is why they are leap years. But if you have a number with 2 zeros at the end, then it should be divided. Say, for example, 1900, it was not a leap year because it was not divided by 400. Okay. So, but 2000 is a leap year. Clear? So this is how we calculate whether and check whether that particular year was a leap year or not. Okay. So these are the points to remember about the concept of calendar. Okay. I think all these first few points we have seen. 10 years is called a decade. Are you aware of this?
Yes.
100 years is called
Century, miss.
century. 1000 years is called?
Millennium.
Is that right? Yes. 100 years is century, 1000 years is a millennium. So which millennium are we in now?
Miss,
the
2000.
Huh?
2000, miss.
2000.
20,000.
20,000?
2,000.
2000? Which century are we in?
Miss, 20 century, 20.
21st century, because we are moving from 2000 to 2100. Correct? Now we are in 2025, right? And in another 75 years, it will be 2100. So we are moving from 2000 to 2100. So we are moving from 20th century. So 1900 to 2000 would be 20th century, right? I'll be writing it on the board for your better understanding. So from the year 1900 to 2000 was 20th century. Do you agree?
Yes,
And
miss.
from 2000 to 2100 would be?
21st century.
Yes, 21st century. Agree, Anya?
Yes.
Correct. And from here to here, 2100 to 2200 would be?
22nd.
22nd century.
22nd century. Okay. And from 1800 to 1900, what was that century?
19th
19th
century.
century.
19th century. So this is how it is referred. Okay. I hope you were aware of this before itself, right? This is a very common concept, right?
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now this is the one, right? See, 1900 to 1999 would be 20th century. And 2000 to 2099 is 21st century, because 2100 it will be 21st century starting, right?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
22nd century starting. All right. Now, let's see whether you're able to read a calendar or not. Okay. Now, the question here is, if 12th April is 2007 was a Thursday, what was the day on 30th April 2007?
Monday.
30th April 2007. Yes? Correct, Anya?
Yes.
Mugdha, can you see this? 30th April is here and it is a Monday.
Yes, Miss.
What about 17th April?
Miss 17 April. Miss Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay. So this is how you read a calendar. Okay. That is a basic skill which all of us should have, how to read a calendar. Now, there is a question. Anya, can you read the question?
Anushka's grandmother went to USA for a vacation on 4th June 2010. She came back on 26 August 2010. How long was her vacation?
Okay. So have you come across these kind of questions?
Yes.
Yes. So how do we calculate it? Okay. So, she is traveling to the US on 4th June, right? So the journey starts on which day? The journey starts on
4th June.
4th June. So you will include 4th June in your calculation. Okay. So from 4th, how many days does June have?
30.
Yes. Right, Anya? If you're confused, you can use your fist, right?
Yes.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay. So the one with the, the higher bone is called, those months will have 31 days and the one between the two bones will be 30 days. Okay. That's how you can remember it. All right. Now, June has 30 days. Now tell me how many days it will be there from 4th to 30th.
83.
26.
26? No, 27.
Oh.
Because I think you're adding 4, like 30 minus 4 you're doing. Right, Anya? That is
Yeah.
not the way we should do. We should do 30 minus 3. Understand, Mugdha? Because we are including 4 June in our calculation, right?
Yeah.
So we will not be subtracting 4 from 30. We'll be subtracting 3 from 30. Because 4 is also included in the vacation. Clear, both of you?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So it will be 27 days in June, and July, as you all know, will have 31 days. And when is she coming back? She came back on 26th August. Okay, so we will not include 26th August because she is back in India on 26th August. So it is not considered as a vacation. Correct? So
Yes.
we will be calculating only till 25th August.
Okay.
Got it? So, and then you add up all these three numbers and you go and you get your answer. Okay. So this kind of calculations, I generally will get confused whether to add 4th June or to miss 4th June, whether to add 26th August or to miss 26th August. Right?
Yes.
This kind of questions you would have come across in your school
Yes,
test and you would, that doubt would come across, right? Should we include that or not? Okay. So if the journey starts on a specific day, then that is included in the vacation. If a person is coming back on a specific day, then that day is not included in the vacation. All right. You will have to calculate till the previous day. This clarity you should have. Okay. Please remember this fact. Because these kind of questions you will get in Olympiad a lot. Next. All right. Mugdha, can you read this question?
Yes, Miss. How many hours are there in a week?
How do we calculate how many hours in a week? How many days are there in a week?
7.
Number of days in a week is 7. And how many hours in a day?
24, Miss.
Number of hours in a day.
24.
24 hours. So how do we calculate, Mugdha? Tell me. How do we calculate the total number of hours in a week? What do we do here?
Yeah. Multiplication.
Multiplication of what? What do we multiply, Mugda? So one day has 24 hours. So 7 days have how many hours? So what do you do? Which two numbers do you multiply here?
Miss 7 and 24.
7 and 24. Is that right, Anya?
Yes.
Can you both calculate and tell me? Let me see who is giving me the answer first. 7 and 24. Who can multiply and tell me the answer? Do you have a notebook with you?
Yeah.
Can you try and tell me? Yes, Mugda. Do you have a notebook with you? Calculate
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tell me. 7 into 24. What is the answer?
It's 192 hours.
192. Anya, what is your answer?
1 second. 168.
Yes, that sounds like the correct answer. How did you calculate?
By
Nisha?
multiplying 4 with 7 and 7 with 2.
Yes. So Mugda, what did you do? How did you get 192 hours, Mugda?
May mistakenly I multiply by 8.
See? So 4 sevens are 28 and 2 would be carried over. 2 sevens are 14 and it will be 168 hours. All right. So this is how we calculate the total number of hours in a week. All right. Now, Anya, can you read this question?
How are 22 days to be written in weeks?
Any idea how, Anya? Can you tell me what is the what could be the answer here? Yes. How do you write 22 days in weeks? How many days are there in a week?
7.
7.
Okay. So how do we write it? So
So I think the answer will be B.
22.
is that Mugda?
Yes, I think it will be B.
How?
Miss first I multiplied by 3, then
Multiply
One-
it with 3. 22 you multiply with 3.
Miss no, I multiply 7 with 3.
Okay.
Then the answer
Yes.
21. Then one number it is extra. So
That will
the
go in the
number
numerator.
the number was 7.
Mm.
So the answer I think will be B.
All right. Okay. So this is, you're telling it in the opposite way, but yes, you're correct. Okay. So, Anya, 22 days and we are dividing it by 7.
Okay.
Okay. If we divide by 7, what do we get? 22 divided by 7. What do we get? 3 times 7 would be 21, right? And then we
Yes.
subtract and we get 1 as a reminder, right? Now,
Yeah.
this 3 values, we can make it into a mixed fraction. 3, 7 and 1. Okay. So, the quotient will become the whole number and the remainder will become the numerator and the Divisor will be the denominator.
Okay.
Okay, this is how we get this answer. Clear, both of you? Yes, Mugdha?
Yes.
All right. Next. Okay, tell me read the question, Mugdha.
If the Independence Day in 1994 was on Monday, on which of the following dates will be Sunday?
It is on which of the following days will be Sunday. Okay, so how do we calculate this?
Just by seeing the calendar.
Do you have 94-year calendar? Will you have it when you're writing Olympiad exam?
No.
You should calculate in your mind. How do we calculate?
Just by saying Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay, Anya, do you have a method how to find this?
Every year, the date, for example, let's keep like on March 2nd. For example, if it's on Monday, the next year it will be on Tuesday.
Right. If it is not a leap year.
Yeah.
If it was a leap year, then it would become +2.
Yeah.
Right, Anya?
Yeah.
You are right if it is a normal year. But if it is a leap year, then it would become +2. And here, Anya, we don't have to think like that. Here it is just from Independence Day, meaning it is 15th August, right?
Yes.
So 15th August is a Monday.
Okay.
And 10th September would be how many days from 15th August? Tenth September would be how many days from here?
How many days?
Sorry, on which of the following dates will be a Sunday? Okay, so for that, so from 15th August, 1st September would be how many days? Yes. It would be, so August has 31 days, right?
Yeah.
So 15th August is a Monday.
Okay.
And after 31 days comes 1st September.
Okay.
Right? So that would be how many days? So 15 to 31, it would be
Miss 16.
16 days, correct. So in 16 days, 16 divided by 7,
16
there would be 2 days
divided.
extra, right? 14 and 2 days extra. So the 1st September would be Wednesday,
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
right? Okay.
Yes.
10 September. So 10 September would be, again, the next Wednesday would be 8th September, right?
Yeah.
No, this will be 16 days. So this will be Thursday. And then this will be, next Thursday would be 8th September,
Okay.
right? Then
Yes.
9th and 10th would be, so Saturday it will be, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And 18th September, would be from,
Miss, I think Sunday.
yes, 18th September would be this Sunday, because again, so this 8th September was Thursday.
Yes.
Yes.
Again, 10th September was
Saturday.
Saturday. 18th September was Sunday. Yes, 18th September would be a Sunday,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Because 17th September would be the next Saturday. So 18th would be the
Yes.
next Sunday. Okay?
Okay.
Next. Now, this is one interesting calculation. Now, what is the period of time in hours and minutes from 9:15? What is 9:15? Yes, Anya?
9:15.
Okay. So, 9:15 in the morning. Okay. Till what is 2:30, Mugdha?
Miss, 2:30.
2:30 would be
Miss, 1:30.
2:30. 2:30 it is.
Oh,
Okay, because it is 2:30. So half an hour past 2 o'clock. Okay, so it is 2:30. All right. Now, what would be the time between this time period? How do you calculate this? Yes, how do you calculate this?
It's the answer is
D.
D? How D? So 9:15 to 10:15 and
1 hour.
10:15 to 11:15,
2 hours.
11:15 to 12:15, 12:15 to 1:15,
4 hours.
and then 1:15 to 2:15, and then 2:30, right? So
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, and here it is 15 minutes. Agree? 2:15 to 2:30 is 15 minutes.
Okay.
Right? So
Yes.
what is the time? 5 hours, 15 minutes. The D is the correct one. Mugdha, you're right, but you should be able to explain also, Mugdha, how you got the answer. Okay?
Okay.
All right. One more sum we will do and then we will be wrapping up the demo. Okay, so like this, there are so many questions in Olympiad. You will have exercise questions also and you will have mock test questions also. All right. Now this one, Anya, can you read this question?
School vacation began from 14th April to 14th April 1996 to 10th June 1996. Find the number of days of the vacation.
Okay, so how do we calculate in April? How many days are there?
30.
In total, 30 days? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, April has
Yes.
January, February, March, April. Yes, April has 30 days. So from 14th April till 30, how many will be there? 14 to 30. You will include 14. So you will subtract 30 minus 13. Okay, because we are including 14, right? So it will be how many days? 17 days.
Okay.
Okay, in April, 17 days. In May, how many days?
31.
31 days. June till 10th June. Began to 10th June. Okay, so how many days in June? 10 days. So the answer is it is 17 plus 31 plus 10. How many days? It's just addition. You just have to add up all the three numbers. What will you get? Yes, 7 plus 1, Anya.
7 plus 1, 8.
58, Miss, 58.
58 days, right? 58 days. Option A. Okay, so this is how every topic is going to be. Okay, for every topic you will have the reading material in your dashboard, which you will be going through before joining the class. And then in the class, I'll be explaining the concept again. And then I'll be giving you some practice sums in the class, practice questions in the class. And after the whole chapter is over, there will be a mock test. Okay, which you will have to go to the worksheet that ma'am showed you, right, Anya? That
Yes.
worksheet, right? So that is how you will have to do it. Solve the answers and then you can check whether it is correct or not once you complete the calculations. And then in the last day of that particular chapter, I will be discussing the answers with you in the class. And if you have any doubts or if you have anything to be retaught, I will be teaching you again in that concept. That's how it is going to be. Okay, I hope you all like the session. And if you have not made the payment, you can make the payment and you can contact your contact person and get any doubts clarified. All right?
Okay.
Okay, Mugdha?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Anya. Thank you, Mugdha. We'll see you all soon. Okay? Bye-bye.